Another day, another quiz, synchronization basics. So that's the quiz that I'm going to be working on. So yeah, let's begin. Let's go. Why synchronization used in Java multithreading to prevent data inconsistency and race conditions. Synchronization ensures only one thread accesses a critical sanction preventing data inconsistency. Which keyword is used to synchronize a method in Java? Synchronized. This keyword ensures that only one thread execute the method at a time. Following can be synchronized in Java blocks and methods. Java allows both methods and blocks to be synchronized with fine-grained control. Which object does synchronized instance method lock on? That this object, an instance synchronized method locks on the object it belongs to is this. How do you synchronize a block of code inside a method? This code synchronized locks the current code object within a method block. Which type of lock is required when using a static synchronized method? Class level lock. A static synchronized method locks on the class object, not an instance. What happens if two threads access a non-synchronized method of the same object? Both can execute concurrently. Non-synchronized methods can be executed by multiple threads at the same time. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much what I have to go over. So yeah, take care and have a great night. Thank you. Is my score.